Hello guys, my name is Pav Yadav and welcome to my channel. My channel name is Digital Marketing Lab. So today I'm going to show you the one website where we have to create our backlink, and the first thing is where we have list our businesses. For the main thing I'm going to share with you guys for today. This is a very good website and the high ranking website and the high traffic potential. If we can list our businesses, then we can grab a very heavy traffic on our website. I'm show you why I'm asking these things. Okay, and sorry for today. Today I'm feeling not well, so that's why something it will be going to harder for me for the if I can going to discuss with you for about that website. If I'm missing something, you guys can comment uh, comment your points, share your points on our comment section. Okay, so the website name is Three Best Rated. Okay, so why I'm asking, this is a very best website, high ranking website. Okay, I'm not going to show you the right now the website traffic and the authority. I can show you the website proof why I'm asking this is the best website. So okay, so for the this is my keyword, the best recruiters in Maple Ridge. Okay, and the our website is Glen Recruiters because I'm working for the Glen company for the, so that's why I have for the some day ago I have created, I have listed my businesses on the website name is the Three Best Rated, and you guys can see we have got a semantic search result on SERP. But the main thing, this website on ranking on Google ACRP of the top of the position also, and the second thing is we got a semantic search. So very best thing for us. Okay, and I can show you. I can going to open you how it's look like, so you guys can see this is our website. We are ranking on top of the position on the Three Best Rated and SERP also. So that's why I was decided to I can show you how we can list our businesses on this website. So now I can show you the website authority. What is the website authority? Okay guys, so the website authority is 79 domain rating, and I can show you the website traffic. So this website having 592k total visitors, very good for us, and the mostly traffic from Canada, USA, UK, India, France, and other countries. So if we want to grab audience, if we want for the brand awareness, brand building for that kind of countries, if we have our businesses on that kind of countries, so we have to list our businesses on the website name is the three best rated.ca, where we have to list our businesses. So everything it will be going to clear now for the research purpose. So now we can going to now I can going so now I can going to show you how we have to list our businesses on that website. So now for so you guys have to click for the list businesses for this website. There is no anything we have to create. um, we have to sign up firstly we have to sign up on that website. There is no requirement for the sign up and the login process, so simply we have to select our location. So now I'm going to list my businesses for the Vancouver location, and I have selected my business category. Okay, you guys can simply search your category and select your business category. I have already selected security guard companies professional services. The location is Vancouver, BC. Business name is Kara Security Group, and the listing person name is Alex J. You guys have to use a person name for the listing approval. It can be look like a genuine listing, so it makes sense to approve this website can going to approve our listing. Okay, and I have selected my business locate addresses proper, business postcode is business start year. We our business is starting in around on 2015. Now the time is we can going to add our company description. So I can show you how I am generating description. And the main thing, I'm listing, if I'm listing my businesses, so every another listing I'm generating a unique and the fresh description for the all listings. This is a that is the best practice for the listing. Any other submission also, you guys can generate a unique and the fresh content. It will be a very simple process. I can show you how I'm generating. The first thing, I can going to pick my keyword. So this is my targeted keywords, so I can going to generate a description for them. I'm going to take help for the Cloudy AI. So I can write prompt. I can provide you with a keyword. Keyword is, and you have to keyword and company name. You have to generate company description. So this is my prompt. I can spell this prompt. I can provide you with a keyword security guard, and my keyword is security guard agency, and the company name is Kara Security Group. You have to generate company description. The next prompt is keep short. Add company founding year 2015. 15 years of experience offering customize. Remove years of experience. Years of. And the second thing, I can going to add our services also. You have to add yes services like this: cards, mobile patrol, security. Ignore bullets point. I can ask. Can I ask? Okay, Kara Security Group has a leading security services providing in Vancouver basis. Since our founding year is 2015, we offer customized security solution, including this our highly trained staff. Okay, and you have to add and you have to add security service provider, leading security guard agency in Vancouver. Okay, so we have generated our company description, and it will be it's a very good to we can consider for the listing. I can going to modify something. Sorry, I can going to add directly security guard agency, leading security guard agency in Vancouver. BC since are founding in. Okay, here it is, guys. So we have generated a fresh description for our company, and now I can going to add our another information. Oh, oh, oh. Now I can going to add my website. For the Vancouver location, we have separate pages, so I can going to add my separate pages for this location. And the booking appointment URL, we can ignore these things. We can add business email as contact at the Kala Security Group, and recent legitimate good reviews from our customers. So we can going to add a good reviews from our customer. So let me check if we have received a good reviews. Font. Okay, so we have received and I can going to add a second reviews also. John, business hour is we are providing 24 hour services. For the $20 to $500 our company. service range, and we have to add our all services. So we can gonna do add now. It's going to look like a capital letter. Insurance, and now we can going to add images. And now we can going to click for the acknowledgement, then we can verify a captcha. So we have verified and we have filled all the information for the listings, and now we can going to click for the submit for review. If your review business list, your listing, it will be reviewed and the live now. I'm going to damn sure guys you are going to rank on higher on the SERP also. So I have shown to show you the result for the Glen recruiter for the my different company. I have do these things, and you guys can see we got the result, and I can show you guys this is not a very hard practice. It will be take around 15 or 20 minutes, because for the now in this video I have list one location for the for our businesses on the 3bestrated.com. We have listed, and you guys can wait around 1 to 2 days, and the your listing it will be going to appear on the SERP, three best rated SERP. And okay, and you guys can, after that you guys can focus for the reviews, and you can got rank higher, top of the pages, top of the SERP. So I'm going to so from everything it will be going to done from my side. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching guys, and the sorry for the if I'm missing something, because today I'm not feeling well properly, but I'm doing my work. So I was decided to I can show you the my achievements and how I did. So it will be going to help you to rank on higher rank on SERP. So okay guys, if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. If you guys are new or haven't subscribed these channels, and if you want to help me something, or if you want to connect me, so you guys can hit the subscribe button if you guys can want. And if you want, you guys can like the video. It will be helpful. If it is helpful for you. Okay. And last thing, if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, suggestion for other guys, so you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you want to connect with me or discuss with me personally, so you guys can connect with me on social media. I'm providing my social media on the bottom of the description, video description. Okay guys, so bye bye, take care.